Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You must hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and have an approved AdSense. Once done, enable two-step verification and link AdSense so payments can process. Next, open YouTube Studio and go to Monetization to see the specific violation or reason. This tells you what to fix. Make sure to document dates and offending videos. You will need those when preparing edits or an appeal. Move immediately to remediation steps. Now you execute the middle work. Edit flagged videos to remove violations, blur content, add disclaimers, or change music to licensed tracks. When edits are done, save new public versions and note exact timestamps you changed. Once you've remediate, draft an appeal in YouTube Studio. Explain what you fixed, reference timestamps, and state how your content now complies. Also compile analytics that show restored watch time and improved retention to strengthen your case before you submit the appeal. Finally, submit the appeal with clear facts. What you changed, when, and why it complies now. Keep the tone professional and factual, and attach screenshots or timestamps. Once submitted, monitor email and Studio for responses and continue improving channel signals like consistency and community guidelines adherence. If the appeal is denied, revise content further, gather new evidence, and wait the required period before resubmitting. If you still hit a wall, contact creator support or escalate via official social support channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.